Good luck, everybody. Excalibur basketball 15-16 random teams number 39. Congrats again to MKJ and Ant. Good evening, Ryan. They did show up? Great to hear, man. Glad that they showed up. Did you get any kind of explanation? Or they were just delayed. Yeah, the strange part is there's been a few shipments from a certain day that all seem to be coming in tardy. For whatever reason. They all shipped out at the same time, but a lot of people's packages were not getting updated and showing up late. Maybe the post office just having a bad week that week or something. I'll try and do something for you, Curtis. If I can, man. So I'm gonna realize that you never got any of those Chargers cards. It could be that I didn't mark them specifically and those guys just set them out because they thought the base cards were in there by accident or something. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why. But could be, there's plenty of times when I put like base cards in the box with hits to just like buffer the hits. Maybe they thought that's what I was doing. I don't know. But so I'll make sure. I'll try and dig up some stuff if I can for you, man. I did not realize that those cards weren't getting to you. Trying multiple times to pull that hammer and egg. It's gonna be a late night, man. You guys might want to pick one break to try and squeeze in. I got this, I got gold, I got flawless, then I got back-to-back select basketball and select football. Gonna eat up some time, those two for sure. Alright, here we go. First box. DeAndre Jordan blue for the Clippers. Rookie Rampage, Rashawn Holmes. Patch Auto, number /25, 76ers, and R. Bursky. Numbered at a 70, Patrick Ewing. Kemba Walker blue. Cody Zeller, number /299, the Hornets. Hawk Nico. Josh Richardson, sorry, for the Heat /70. Scottie Pippen, number /60 for the Bulls. Purple Crusade. Kyle Lowry for the Raptors, jersey. Sean Money. That's box 1. Ben McLemore for the Kings, number /275 autograph, going to Carriage House. Andre Drummond /70, the Pistons. LaMarcus Aldridge for the Spurs, jersey, MKJ. It's the wrong size. Jimmy Butler, number /60 for the Bulls. Rookie Rampage, Jordan Mickey for the Celtics. D&H Martin. Acting like the box is done. I'm out of penny sleeves throwing me off. Where's my penny sleeve? Alright, Aaron Aflalo /70, the Knicks. Kevin Garnett, blue. Pau Gasol, red for the Bulls. That's it for box 2. Devin Booker, blue. For the Suns. Dominique Wilkins, the Hawks, blue. He's upside down. I just flipped the whole stack over. Jimmy Butler, red for the Bulls. Another LaMarcus Aldridge for the Spurs. MKJ, second one of the break. Michael Kidd Gilchrist autograph to 299. The Hornets. Pac Nico. Jarrell Eddy for the Wizards. 1 of 70. Rookie. I haven't heard of that guy before. Pat Connaughton patch auto. That was our second auto patch in 5 cases, 5 boxes, or 3 boxes. That's a good sign for this case. DW604, the Blazers. Jose Calderon to 25, the Knicks. Brandon Knight, blue for the Suns. Brandon Dawson for the Clippers to 299, autograph rookie. D-Dow 2667. Jahlil Okafor to 25 for the Sixers. Roberski. Jokic. Dirk Nowitzki, red one. Nikolai Vucevic, red one for the Magic. Anthony Brown for the Lakers, autographed jersey. Macho H. Tyreek Evans for the Pelicans to 70. And Emmanuel Mudiay, jumbo patch, number to 15 for the Nuggets. D-Dow 2667. The patches are coming. Last box. Oop, there we got a kaboom. John Wall for the Wizards. There you go. Neurotic 1. Kaboom! John Wall. Miles Turner, patch. More patches. Look at this stuff. 18 of 25, the Pacers. Jaybird. Tyreek Evans, red for the Pelicans. Alex Len for the Suns to 299, rookie auto. Ant. Drummond to 70, the Pistons. Chris McCullough for the Brooklyn Nets. Jersey auto, Jason H. Fractor. DeMarcus Cousins to 70, the Kings. LeBron James, Blue Crusade, Cavs. And a Larry Bird, Blue Crusade for the Celtics. And that's it for the break, guys. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Kaboom came out. We got McCollum, Turner, Mudiay. I'm going to show them all. They're all sideways. Anthony Brown, Pat Connaughton, Aldridge, Jordan Mickey, Aldridge, Kyle Lowry, Rashawn Holmes. LeBron, Cousins, Drummond, Len auto, Evans, Okafor, Dawson auto, Calderon, Eddie, Kidd Gilchrist auto, Aflalo, Butler to 60, Drummond, McLemore, Pippen to 60, Richardson, and a Zeller Auto Ewing to 70. Till the next time, peace.